Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to carry out chi-square test in Excel. The chi-square test is a statistical method used to determine whether there is a significant association between categorical variables. It's commonly used when dealing with the categorical data and comparing observed frequencies with the expected frequencies to assess whether any observed differences are statistically significant. Now let's take one data in Excel workbook. In this data, in columns, we are having smokers and non-smokers. And in the rows, we are having male and female. So there are 29 male smokers, 71 male non-smokers, 16 female smokers, and 84 female non-smokers. Now we want to see that is there any association between the smoking habit and the gender. Make sure that these numbers are counts or frequencies. So this is the observed frequency. We will have to calculate the expected frequency. So the total of this column is 45. Total of this column is 155. Total of this row is 100. Total of this row is 100 and the aggregate total is 200. Now to calculate the expected frequency of any cell, let's see what is the procedure. We want to calculate the expected frequency of this cell, that is male smokers here. So click here and try to locate the corresponding row and corresponding column for this cell. Corresponding row is this one, and the corresponding column is this one. So the row total is this and the column total is this. Now what we will do, we will multiply this with this divided by the grand total. Let me write down B5 into D3 divided by D5. Enter. Now we will have to calculate the expected frequency of this. So how we can do it? Again, let's see that what is the corresponding column for this row? This one. Corresponding column total for this one is this. So this into this divided by this. Okay. So C5 into D3 divided by grand total, that is D5. Done. Now we will calculate the expected frequency for this cell. Corresponding row total is this. Corresponding column total is this. So this into this divided by this. What it will be? B5 into D4 divided by the grand total will remain same. It is D5. Enter. Now let's talk about this one. This one. Corresponding row total is this. Corresponding column total is this. So C5 into D4 divided by D5. So this is your expected frequency. Now we want to carry out the chi-square test. Write down here chi-square test. You can write the function directly from here also, or you can go in fx, search chi-square test, click OK. The actual range, we will have to select the actual range. So this is my actual range. The expected range, this is my expected range. Click OK and you got the result. So this is the p-value which you got. Now let's do the interpretation. There is no significant association between smokers and gender is our null hypothesis. Our alternative hypothesis is there is a significant association between smokers and gender. This p-value is less than 0.05. So our interpretation will be, let me write here, this is my interpretation, as the p-value is less than 0.05. So we reject null hypothesis, which means that there is a significant association between gender and smokers. It means that either male are more, smoking more, or females. There is some polarization which has happened. Let's try to understand. See, male smokers are 29, non-smokers are 71. Female non-smokers are 84. So let's try to represent this thing using the bar chart. Insert the bar chart. So in smokers, male are more, and in case of, just a minute, these are smokers and these are non-smokers. So in case of non-smokers also, the male are more, female non-smokers are more than that. See, 84 female are non-smokers and 71 male are non-smokers. You can also flip this by switch rows to column and see the pattern according to the male and female. So this is non-smokers and this is non-smokers. Let me try to have some, yeah, this is better. Click from here. Yeah, 84. Let's try to tally 84 female non-smokers, 16 female smokers, 71 male non-smokers, and 29 male smokers. So here also you can see the male smokers are more. So this was all about how to carry out chi-square test in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.